Hi friends, this is a Alfway 4-in-1 fan, come battery, but torch and a Bluetooth speaker. It's like one of its kind. I never seen like a 4-in-1 type of thing in one setup. So now I'm just trying to describe you here. You can see that it can be used as a LED torch, it can be used as a Bluetooth speaker, as a fan, and also as a charger. So these are the all parameters and details for this product. Let me just open the box and show you like how this thing will work. Let's test it. So here is look like a fan attachment. This is the main unit of the system, one manual and one I think charging cable. So this is the manual that is in Chinese as well as in English. You can see like it says like how you can use all the different features of this product. Now I will show you the main product and how it looks. It's this is the Bluetooth speaker at the bottom of this product, like plus and minus sign for the volume. Here is the torch, and this is like I will just start the torch. If you long press the on and off button, the torch will be on, and it is really a bright torch. This is I'm just actually have a light for the video, but still you can see the torch. It's a nice portable torch. So long press it again and it will be off. Now you can see there is a micro USB port and a USB port in this, and this is a charging cable that comes with it. It have both micro USB as well as USB. The cable length is short for the charging cable, but it's enough to get charge or to use it. So I'm just putting the micro USB port in this section. Let me show like how this unit can be charged. So when you put it in the USB, I will just put it again and just lock it this time a little hard. Yeah, now you can see that this is a blue light indicator. So this have an indicator and the fourth part is still on, so it is still charging now, and this battery is actually 75% charged. So for the demo I will just use this product so that I will be able to conduct the demo. Now for use, like I'm just showing how you can charge your devices with it. Just add in the USB, add in the port. So I'm just showing here micro USB mobiles and thing, and you can see that it starts charging here, and you can see the charging sign. So once you see the charging sign, so it start charging. You can also charge your lightning cable stuff because it is USB and it can be used easily. So once this part is done, let me show you now the fan feature. The fan as a portable fan, this is a like solid built product, and there is two way you can use it. So one, the USB way. I am just trying to show you the USB way here. So add it to the USB, and then I'm just trying to put it down completely. So here, so I will just put in the USB, and when you press the fan button, say like the fan is on. The fan is really powerful. I can feel the air from this distance on my face. It have 3 different speed. So once you press one time, second time and third time, so the speed will increase, and the higher speed is really good for a portable fan. There is another way you can use is doing in this micro USB. So you can put in the micro USB, and you can put your USB in either the direct power or through this rechargeable battery, and then you can also use this fan. So here see like how it's working. The fan feature is really nice, like if you in a hot weather and you want to use a portable fan, it's pretty cool. Now I will just show you the Bluetooth speaker feature. So when you long press your plus button, and then the Bluetooth will be on and it speaks up. Once this is on, you can actually search this Bluetooth on your mobile device. For me it comes up as a BT16, and it's easily searchable. I don't have to do anything, no passcode, nothing was asked. I tried it on my iPhone, so it shows like the BT16, and once Yeah, the Bluetooth is on and it shows like connected. So see like the BT16, and now this is connected. I will try to now open piano video on YouTube so that you can listen to it. Somehow for this video I think I'm not able to give you that volume stuff, but I will try to add it in the next part of the video, and then I will just show it to you. Now if you see the sound itself is of course this is a portable small speaker, but as a small speaker still the volume is high, and then you can listen to it. I will prefer a 75% volume so that the distortion will not be there, but still it looks nearly nice. Overall this is a 4-in-1, and it have like almost everything inside it you want to use on a travel. It's very nice product. So I will show you the audio now.